Welcome to the magic of κτana. This is a cotton tree, الان, κτana. English, cotton. Arabic, قطن. Spanish, algodón. Hebrew, Œuθ. Assyrian, κτana. All languages sharing a beautiful way of describing this magic tree and the magic item that comes from it. This acts like a receptor, USB, that can be sensitive to work with frequencies, with prayer, with positivity and negativity. That's why people make it as a cloth. It's very good for you. It lays beautifully on the body, keeps you protected, and very good for weather temperature. Changing of weather temperature, cotton serves you really well. So thank you to الان κτana in Colombia, Sierra Nevada, Santa Marta. Blessed be κτana.